The Trimax Snake didn't become the world's leading trailed rotary mower by mistake. Complicated is easy, but producing high-performing equipment with operational simplicity requires exceptional design. Introducing the new Snake Series 3 with zero daily maintenance. Grab your coffee, not the grease gun. Features improvements such as the new Titan maintenance-free roller bearing system, maintenance-free wheel hubs, and automatic belt tension. And practical improvements for operation and machine care to maximize time out in the field. Now with easier adjustments, such as height collars for fast height of cut changes, scientifically developed blades designed for high-end turf performance, and a removable beam attachment for effortless maintenance. Snake S3. Built to deliver, day in, day out. A proven performer for turf specialists, and a secret weapon for miracle workers. With more cuts per forward meter of travel than any other trailed rotary mower, which delivers the finest cut comparable to the finish of cylinder mowers. Will outperform competitors in tough or wet conditions due to the unique deck and cutting chamber design, which can process higher quantities at faster mowing speeds. A Trimax Snake allows you to do more. Exceptional in roughs, with fairway capability. Get closer than ever before. Able to be used on compact tractors. With easy coupling for equipment repurposing and versatility. Comes with quick lift as standard. Add optional extras such as the Trimax mulch kit for leaf management, or upgrade to our electronic multi-lift system, which includes app-operated control and provides smart operation stats and digital service log record keeping. The Snake Series 3. Come for the reputation, stay for the results. Book a demo today.